How I made $10,000 in 30 days using AI tools. What if I told you that you could make $10,000 in just 30 days using free AI tools? No, seriously, I'm talking about 10 grand, in your pocket, in less time than it takes to binge watch a season of your favorite show. And the craziest part? You don't need to be a tech genius or coding whiz to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, step by step. AI isn't just for tech experts anymore, it's a game changer for anyone looking to make money online. So, are you ready to unlock the power of AI and start building your own online empire? Stick around, this could change your life. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with the first step, choosing the right AI tools. And don't worry, you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. In fact, many of these tools are completely free or have super affordable plans. I'm talking about tools like ChatGPT, which is like having a personal writing assistant at your fingertips. Need help writing an ebook, crafting killer ad copy, or even just coming up with creative content ideas? ChatGPT is your new best friend. And then there's Midjourney, which is an absolute game changer for anyone who wants to create stunning digital art without needing years of art school. The key here is to pick the tools that align with your skills and goals. The key is to use these AI tools to create something valuable, something people are willing to pay for. So you've got your AI tools locked and loaded, ready to start creating. But before you unleash your creative genius, we need to talk about finding a profitable niche. Think of a niche as your target market, your people, the ones who are going to be most interested in what you have to offer. And guess what? AI can help you with this too. Tools like ChatGPT are amazing for brainstorming ideas and analyzing trends. Just ask it something like, what are some popular digital products people are buying right now? Or, what are some trending topics in the world of your interest here? For example, digital planners and AI-generated art are huge right now. People are going crazy for these things. And the best part is, they're all digital, which means no inventory costs, no shipping headaches, just pure profit. The beauty of AI is that it can help you explore endless possibilities. Once you've got your niche nailed down, it's time to start creating your product. Alright, now it's time for the fun part, creating your digital product. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard or design guru to make this happen. With the power of AI, you can create high-quality products that people will actually want to buy. Let's say you've decided to create an ebook. You can literally type in the prompt, write an ebook about your niche topic here, into ChatGPT, and it will generate a full-blown ebook for you. Of course, you'll want to go back and edit it, add your own personal touch, and make sure it's packed with value for your readers. But still, ChatGPT takes care of the heavy lifting, saving you hours of time and effort. And for the cover design, Canva AI has got you covered. This tool can whip up eye-catching ebook covers in seconds, making your product look polished and professional. Or maybe you're more into the world of AI-generated art. Midjourney is your new best friend. Once your product is ready to go, it's time to set up shop and start selling. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are perfect for selling digital products. To really scale your income, you need to master the art of automation. So, you've got your product, your online store, and you're starting to see those sweet sales roll in. That's awesome. But are you ready to crank things up a notch? To really scale your income, you need to embrace the power of automation. And no, I'm not talking about building robots to do your bidding, although that would be pretty cool. I'm talking about using AI to automate those repetitive tasks that are sucking up your precious time. Think about all the things you do on a daily basis to run your business. Writing social media posts, sending emails, creating marketing materials. These tasks are important, but they can also be huge time wasters. That's where AI comes in. Tools like ChatGPT can help you automate all of these tasks and more. You can literally feed it prompts like, write 10 engaging Instagram captions about my new ebook, or create a 5-day email sequence promoting my AI-generated art. And the best part? AI never gets tired, never complains, and never misses a deadline. It's like having a team of tireless virtual assistants working for you around the clock. The key takeaway here is this: automation is your secret weapon for scaling your income without burning out. Okay, you're using AI to create products, automate your business, and rake in those sweet profits. You're basically an AI-powered entrepreneur extraordinaire. But here's the thing, the journey doesn't end there. To really maximize your income and build a sustainable business, you need to become a master of optimization. Think of it like this: You're constantly running experiments, analyzing the data, and making tweaks to improve your results. And you guessed it. AI can be your trusty sidekick in this process too. There are tons of AI tools out there that can help you track your sales, analyze your engagement data, and identify areas for improvement. For example, you can use AI to see which of your products are selling like hotcakes, and which ones are gathering dust on the virtual shelves. You can also use AI to analyze your social media engagement. See which posts are getting the most likes, comments, and shares. The key takeaway here is this: continuous improvement is how you turn $1,000 into $10,000 and beyond. And there you have it, my step-by-step guide to making $10,000 in 30 days using AI tools. Remember, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you're ready to start making money with AI, drop a comment below with the niche you're thinking about. I'm serious. Let me know what you're passionate about, what problems you want to solve, and what kind of digital empire you're ready to build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on turning AI into income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.